Okay, try another video. So the crack is on that boom there. It's actually on the bush around the pin. See, there's the crack there, and then just goes around the bush pretty much around there. Keep going. Same on this side, but not this side. It's nothing up on top. So that's a crack there. On this side, it's nothing here. That's not a crack, but it's a crack there. Starts cracking around the bush there. Just keep going. At hour 5, turn around and see. But definitely on that boom. And we're seeing some hairlines crack, which is on that road. Same here inside there. Got just hairline cracks. So that's grease, what you can see there, but over there that's a small crack. Same on this side. You barely can see it, it's a small crack there. Go up that way. That is not a crack, that big one. Or might be just a hairline crack on that. That's so far what I spot. So definitely that's the major fucking shit. I'll try to clean more, twist it out around, might make another video. My guess, not my guess, more than 100% sure I have to take that pin out, under the hoses from there, under them hoses, take all that arm there out, so put them down on the ground, and then we can weld it properly.